I'm Virginia Stockwell. My channel is all about becoming a personal chef, so if you're interested in becoming a personal chef, please subscribe. And today's topic is actually a question that someone asked me recently. What happens if I become a personal chef and my clients don't like my food? But you know the truth, that's just you lacking confidence. You know that you can cook well, all your friends tell you so, your family tells you so. You might think you have imposter syndrome, that they're lying to you, they're just being polite, but really you know in your heart that you're a good cook. So just have some confidence in yourself. You can do it, and I'm sure that your clients are going to love the food. But really, what if they don't like your food? That really comes down to the consultation. Part of you going to a consultation to talk to your potential new clients is that you're trying to get an idea of what they like to eat. So you ask them, of course, about their allergies, dietary restrictions, their likes and dislikes. And if you don't listen well, then you probably could do them a disservice. For example, I could tell you this time that I went on a consultation. It was a couple, and they said they really love French food and they would love if I can cook French food for them. But the truth is that my niche is healthy cooking without using any butter or cream. You know, French cooking is all about butter. I was like, yeah, I can make French food. And obviously I was new and I was just trying to please everybody, and really I wasn't listening to them, and I really wasn't being true to myself. My plan was just to make for them something that they thought they didn't even know that they wanted. And that's really just not listening to my clients. That was terrible customer service I was giving, and obviously it didn't work out. It is possible that if you don't listen to your clients, that you will be making them food that they're not interested in and they won't like. Now let's take a different approach. What if you made, I don't know, some pork chops and you burnt them? Or what if you cooked up some zucchini and you overcooked it so it's all that soggy zucchini, and reheat it for dinner and they're like, we don't like this? That's your fault, obviously. That's when it comes down to a business decision for you. How do you want to handle that? You're going to make mistakes in the kitchen. It's inevitable. How are you going to handle it? Are you going to refund the money for that particular meal? Are you going to offer to remake it the next day? Are you going to offer to remake it the following week? How are you going to do it? It's your business. You might want to think about that now before you encounter that situation. You can make this decision on a case-by-case basis. You don't have to have a set policy in your mind about how you're going to handle the situation. It could be different for every situation. Again, it's your business and you get to run it how you want to run it. Let's take a different situation. Let's say that they ordered chicken piccata because they never had chicken piccata before and they want to check it out. So you make it for them. You know that you have an amazing chicken piccata recipe. Everybody loves it. You make it very traditional-like, you present it to them, and they say, we didn't like that. So then you need to ask, why didn't you like it? What was it about it? And they said it was too salty. So maybe the capers, they just didn't like the capers in it. So just make a note that this particular family doesn't like super salty foods. You want to think about future offerings for them to maybe leave out things like olives, capers, sardines, that kind of thing. You'll learn something about these clients by them letting you know they didn't like this particular dish. But what do you do when they don't like it? For example, the chicken piccata. I'd say it's kind of like going into a restaurant and being like, I've never had quail before. I think I'll check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and order that. You order it, you cut it up, eat it, and you don't like it. The restaurant's not going to give you your money back because you just picked something on the menu that you were trying something new and didn't like it. They're not going to give you your money back. So in the case of this person ordering a chicken piccata and they tried it out and they didn't like it, it's not your fault. I personally wouldn't give them their money back for that particular dish, but again, it's your business and you can run it how you want. So I think that should sufficiently answer the question of, what if they don't like my food? If this video helped you at all, please like it below, and if you have any questions, I love receiving questions about getting started in the personal chef business. I always have my email below, so just send me a message and I'll be sure and answer it in an upcoming video. Thanks so much for watching.